This is the new for 2025 Outdoor Revolution Cayman Air T2. So they've made a switch from the Move Light series to the Cayman series. So as you can see, it's got the new for 2025 colour scheme with the grey, the black and the teal. I really like that little bit of blue writing on the side there. So very much like its big brother, the Move Light T2R. It's got this massive big window in the side. So the most expensive part of any awning is the big, is always the bits that you can see through. So it's nice that that has been kept. It's nice that that's been kept onto this awning. So we'll go around the back. So as you can see here, one cowl which would be at the back of your driveway awning. So let's have a little look inside. So as you can see here, you've obviously got the option for the two-person clip in a bedroom, and down there you'll see that you've got your section for the Lumilink lights and your up-down lighter Velcro parts here. Something as well that you don't see as much is that's toggle down blinds. So normally the blinds are always toggle up, but it looks like they're toggle down, which is interesting. A great thing about this T2 as well is when we talk about a sewn in ground sheet, so this has got a sewn in ground sheet, but it's also got the zip system all the way around. Now the reason why that's important to people is if you've got escape artist dogs or inquisitive dogs that are spending all the time trying to get out of an awning, that will definitely prevent them. So in this as well, as you'll see, you've got the sections for the roof stretcher poles. So they come in packs of 2. So this has got 3 sections for it. So you know, if you can get 2 sections and have a spare pole. So this section at the back, that isn't zip, so that is Velcro in. So it's just something for you to be aware of. But as you'll see, you can toggle this section there. So this lip, you'll be able to have that lip straight. So one thing that I hear quite a bit at the moment is about like sausage dogs, that's legs aren't big enough to get over that lip. So that lip, you can put it flat so that it doesn't stick up. As you can see in this front door, it's got a big old mesh panel. So like I say, you can zip that door back and try and get a bit of air coming through, because on hot days inside driveway awnings it can get quite hot. As you can see, this is the awning with the 2-person clipping in a tent on the inside as well. So we did quite well with the T2Rs last year, and like I say, for 2025, I see no reason as to why that Cayman Air T2 won't be a great seller as well.